Grammar quiz. The present simple tense. Fill in the blanks using the present simple tense. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. Number 1. The baby blank a nap after his bottle. Is it A, take, B is taken, C, takes, or D, taking? The correct answer is C, takes. The baby takes a nap after his bottle. 2. We blank tennis every Thursday afternoon. Is it A, plays, B, play, C, is playing, or D, have played? The correct answer is B, play. We play tennis every Thursday afternoon. 3. Jason, blank, an excellent jockey. Is it A, is, B, B, C, am, or D, are? The correct answer is A, is. Jason is an excellent jockey. 4. Arnold, blank, a fry-up every morning. Is it A, eaten, B, was eating, C, eat, or D, eats? The correct answer is D, eats. Arnold eats a fry-up every morning. And 5. I blank up for school before 7 a.m. Is it A, got, B, get, C, gets, or D, have got? The correct answer is B, get. I get up for school before 7 a.m. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.